Multiplication of decimals. In multiplying decimals, you must note that the number of decimal points that you have when dividing will determine the number of decimal points. Okay, the number of decimal places in your answer. So here will determine the number of decimal places you have here. Now, if you have one decimal place here, then there is one decimal place here. If you have two decimal places, then your answer will have two decimal places. If you have three decimal places, your answer will have three decimal places, and so on. Now note, this is only for when you have whole numbers and multiplying decimals. Okay, if you have decimals by decimals, it's different. Okay, but as you can see here, with one decimal place, you have 1. 2 decimal places, you have 2, and so on. 3 decimal places, you have 3. Okay, 4 times 6 is 24. Take your 4, put your 4 here. Take your 2 on top here. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2, that's 14.4. Okay, as you can see here, same thing. 7 times 7 is 49. Take your 9. Take your 4. 7 times 6 is, of course, 42 plus 4, 46, and so on. 7 times 2, 14 plus, okay, and so on. So as you can see here that everything works out, okay, and the number of decimal places that you have, okay, here, right, whilst multiplying is the number of decimal places you're going to have for your answer. Similar here, 1 times 0.005, you multiply the 1 by the 5, and you multiply 1 by every other thing here, and you get the same thing. 3 decimal places, you have 3 decimal places for your answer.